So hello, this is Mamta, and today I'm going to talk about something very troubling. And what is that thing? So on a daily basis I read newspaper, and one thing that I find on a daily basis, and that is 2-3 rape cases in newspaper. 2-3 rape cases on a daily basis I find in newspaper. And these are the rape cases which are reported, which actually reported, that I find in newspaper. And now you can imagine how many rape cases are happening which are not reported. And these are the rape cases which are actually rapes. There are some rape cases which actually do not fall into the category of rape, and that is marital rape, where a woman knows that she is being raped, by her husband without her consent, but she cannot say anything. She cannot complain to the police that she is being raped. Why? Because this marital rape is not rape. This is called husband's wish. And there's again one kind of rape, and that woman does not know that she is being raped by a husband. She thinks that it is her husband's job. He can do whatever he wants. Why? Because he feeds her. He gives her shelter. This is why he can do whatever he wants. So basically 90%, 80 to 90% rapes are in India are actually marital rape, which is not something that you can call that a rape. And the rest rapes are happening, that of course we find in newspaper, that is not actually half of the real number of cases. Because in India, a girl is always blamed for being raped, that you must have done something, seducing harkat. This is why a man got excited and he raped you. Can you imagine? And girls, 8-year, 5-year, 2-year, 3-year girls are being raped by men, members of their home. Really? Is she doing something? Is she exciting a man by doing something? I am at a point where I can dedicate my whole channel on rape. I mean, I can give you 2-3 videos on a daily basis where I can talk about new rape cases on a daily basis. Can you imagine how much rapes are happening in our country? I think there is one thing that is happening in our country, and that is rape. And our politicians are not doing anything. They are also involved in this process. In parliament, most of candidates, most members are men, uneducated men. An uneducated man knows one thing, and that is to rape a woman and to eat food that is being cooked by a woman. That's it.